Winning the AI Ecosystem Wars, an insider's playbook. Look, it feels like every single week a brand new AI model drops, right? And they all promise to completely revolutionize how you work. It's honestly incredibly overwhelming. Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're cutting right through all that noise to hand you the ultimate playbook for navigating and actually winning the AI ecosystem wars.
So how do you pick the real winner in this AI race without getting trapped in the hype cycle? That's the absolute core problem facing professionals, business owners, and students right now. I mean, you need a reliable way to filter through this endless avalanche of software releases. You need to find the exact tools that actually drive profit and solve real, tangible problems in your day-to-day workflow.
The insights driving our journey today are produced by Waqas Ahmed Shah. He's an educator and an AI agents and automation builder based out of Karachi, Pakistan. He builds robust automation solutions for educators, traders, and startups, bringing some serious authority and a highly practical, business-first mindset to today's breakdown.
Okay, the crucial starting point is figuring out how we even measure the success of these AI models in the first place, right? Well, we use something called a benchmark. Think of it exactly like stress testing a high-end graphics card. You put it under a really heavy load just to see what it can actually handle before you shell out the cash for it. For AI, it's the exact same concept. We run them through a standardized test, basically throwing specific, complex problems at them, stuff like advanced coding, math, logical reasoning, just to see which one genuinely performs the best under pressure.
So how does this actually translate into actionable data for you? Platforms like artificial analysis track 3 key metrics to rank these AIs. First up is the intelligence index, which essentially measures overall smartness. Second is speed, literally how fast it generates a response. Now, for both of those, higher is obviously great. But the third metric, that's cost. And for the price index, lower is absolutely always better for your bottom line.
But here's the thing, there's kind of a hidden corporate agenda behind all these models. We are right in the middle of what's called the ecosystem wars. Big tech giants, we're talking Google, Meta, OpenAI, they aren't just building standalone chatbots anymore. They're building these massive interconnected ecosystems. They want to hand you AI agents, video generation, and fully integrated workspaces, all tied together. Why? So that you never ever feel the need to leave their platform for a competitor. It's a brilliant strategy, but you've got to be aware of it.
Since you can't realistically subscribe to every single service out there, try thinking of these models as highly specialized employees. On one side of the office, you have GPT-4o. This one offers unmatched speed and incredible efficiency for those rapid day-to-day tasks. But on the other side, you have Claude, specifically Opus or 3.5 Sonnet. Claude absolutely dominates when you need to handle massive text files, write long-form scripts, or generate deep, complex code.
When we actually look at the raw intelligence numbers, a pretty clear leader emerges. Based on recent benchmark data, Gemini 3 Pro is currently leading the pack with an impressive score of 73. That pulls it just ahead of Claude Opus at 70 and GPT-4o at 69. And honestly, Gemini is exceptionally powerful right now, especially when you consider its seamless integration into that massive Google ecosystem for heavy-duty image and video generation.
But what if your work requires a totally different kind of heavy lifting, say highly complex scientific or multi-step mathematical expressions? Well, the data shows that Grok 4.1 excels specifically in those thinking and reasoning tasks. And hey, here's a quick insider tip just for you. If you ever want to know what everyday people actually prefer using in the real world, always check the Hugging Face chatbot arena. It's this dynamic leaderboard that tracks real-time user-voted rankings whenever new models are released. It is super handy.
Okay, let's shift our mindset for a second from pure technology to business strategy. $20 to $60. That is roughly the monthly cost of subscribing to 2 or 3 of these top-tier models. You've really got to stop viewing this as a standard software expense. For a professional, this is a highly leveraged investment in your own productivity.
Because when you make that investment, the potential returns are just staggering. The core principle here is simple. Money follows solutions. If you consistently use these AI tools to solve real market problems and actually help your clients achieve success, generating financial returns of $1,000 or more a month, that just becomes a natural byproduct. It's really not about the tech itself. It's entirely about the solutions you provide with it. So here is your actionable insider playbook to start implementing literally today. Step 1, review the models using those benchmark tools we talked about. Step 2, pinpoint your specific use case.
Ask yourself, do you need deep coding or just fast text? Step 3. Stop endlessly researching and simply subscribe to the 1 or 2 tools that actually fit your workflow. And step 4. Implement consistently for the next 1 to 2 years. Because in this industry, execution beats endless learning every single time.
You now have the benchmarks, you understand the ecosystem trap, and you have the strategy. It's time to stop just watching the news and start actually building. So which AI model will you master to solve your market's biggest problem today? The tools are sitting right there waiting for you. Choose yours and get to work.